Okay, what's up guys? It's another change time and we are here to perform another Ford Focus engine timing as my previous video when I did it, and the video is going viral, so you have opportunity to get another tutorial which is similar like the one I did last time. And this video we are going to change how we set the time because I have different ways to set this timing and different experience to do it, so I want to also let you know to take the same procedure to set it whenever you make this kind of what timing. You know that there is no mark on this timing, but we have some practical and special tool that we need to set this time, and I'm going to not use any special tool but only a simple way to do it, so that wherever you are it can able to help you to do this time. So if you really like this content, please hit the like button and hit the sub button for more updates, and we are going to take you into the tutorial and step by step how to set this timing to get the correct start. Don't forget, a little mistake you do, it might end up bend all the inlet valve, or you have to be very careful. So just watch the video and take the procedure step by step as I'm going to do it, and it will get you the correct start. So first of all, what you do is to turn the engine piston number 1 to TDC max. Doing that, you have to insert the dipstick.
So make sure the crankshaft key is indicating as it is showing below when you turn on the piston number 1, and you are good to go. So take note about that and don't forget to do so. You can also lock it with that long keyboard, and when you remove the temp bolt, you are able to lock it so that the crank will stay firm. But I didn't lock it because I have a way to lock it to do it.
Okay, so I have inserted the dipstick and the crank pulley is 22, so you have to turn the crank pulley a little bit. Okay, so I got the piston number 1 to TDC mark, and once you have done that, you are good to go with that. You can also lock the crankshaft, but that one is depend on you. If you don't want the crankshaft to turn, there is 8 bolts aside, and you can use it to find some long bolt and tie it so that the crank pulley will not turn. But you can use this to indicate your timing mark when you don't want to mix the TDC mark. Coming to the main topic, we have inlet cam and then exhaust cam, which is the VVTi. But what are you going to do with the VVTi, and what marks are you going to use to get the correct start? So let's see something here. We have the camshaft here. This is the firing order for number 1, and here we have firing order for the inlet. So there is a similar thing you are going to use, and this supposed to be come a little bit further. So you are going to turn this thing a little bit down to get the mark here, and let's go to the back there and see something, whether our timing is going to be successful or not. The whole thing will determine at the back here when you turn on this thing to the correct mark. So last time I used a hacksaw blade, and today I'm not going to use a hacksaw blade. I'm going to use a file, or if you can get a square ruler, you can also use it, because okay, let's do it like this for the betterment. So we have our mark here, and we have to turn this one to also to get the correct mark. So this is how you are going to do. Okay, you see. So as soon as you've done that, you are good to go, and they are very perfect. So when you done that, you can see this pin and other one are looking the same pegging, and when you check on this side, you can see the inlet camshaft firing order has pushed down a little bit, and when you check on the other side, yeah, it's a little bit up than this. So this mark will get you the access, and if you want to lock it, this is how you are going to lock it. You can use it. Once you have touched this one, it is going to lock and you are good to go. So when I remove this thing, okay, so for me to clarify it, I cannot remove it because someone is watching it to do it how it is. So this is how you are going to set the camshaft, and this will be enable you to use a axle grade, a square ruler, or any square angle that will enable to enter here and this side. Simple. After that, there is nothing you can do, and you just align your timing chain. When you're done, start it, and it's going to give you the correct start. So this is a simple way to set this timing down, to use other special tools which it can enable you to waste your time, and maybe, I don't know, if you can, then you might get a specialist. But this is automotive home that we teach everybody how to do this timing, and it is very simple way. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you go to my channel, you can get the same video as I did it 1 year ago. That video is going viral, so book the like button, put your comment below, and share the video to go viral. Welcome to Eric Center, and we are going to give you more tutorials from chain timing and timing belt. This is the home of automotive tips and do it yourself tutorial. So that is it, and you can do it like that. You are free to go. So that's how it is, and when you do it, you can leave it. The thing has locked already, so you are free to lock. Align your chain here and tie the adjuster, fix other things, then you are good to go. Thanks for watching, and until I meet you next time, stay blessed.